Are you looking for a reliable roll-off dumpster rental service? Look no further than Direct Dumpsters. Whether you are planning a home renovation, clearing out your garage, or managing a construction site, we have the perfect solution for you. At Direct Dumpsters, we offer a variety of roll-off dumpster sizes to suit every project. Our dumpsters are designed for easy loading, where you can efficiently eliminate all your waste without hassle. Punctuality is vital to any project, and we guarantee timely delivery and pickup. Our professional drivers ensure your site stays clean and organized, helping you stay on track. At Direct Dumpsters, we're not just about waste management, we're about responsible waste management. We provide recycling services to support sustainability efforts. When you choose Direct Dumpsters, you're making a choice that's good for the community and the environment. We are committed to providing top-notch services to residential and commercial customers. No matter the size or scope of your project, Direct Dumpsters is here to help. Ready to get started? Contact us today at 937-572-1157 or visit our website at www.directdumpstersllc.com to reserve your roll-off dumpster. Direct Dumpsters, your trusted partner in efficient and eco-friendly waste management.